Hi guys, it's usual Labs. My name is Froll, and I never really thought I will say that in a recent time, but I think I will. And today we got a Binance NFT sale that are coming for us right now. That's already started, and today we're gonna talk straight about it. Before this video starts, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and send a link of this video to your friends. So the drop is called the even rare HomeLand NFTs, and this is not just kinda some NFTs or some P2E things. This is a Star Sharks metaverse. Star Sharks, this is a huge game. Their first sale was so much gains. I think all people got who are entered in there. Even from flipping on a secondary market, just buying, minting, all of this stuff. This was super hype drop and super hype game. Of course, now it's kind of dumb. I can say that look, you can go buy their NFTs. You will get a lot of money from it. You will like get your money back for only a few days. Of course, they got some damage from this market, from fall of this market, and this is okay. Just like as all projects do, I think. So yeah, and now they're creating their second game. Is called the HomeLand, and let's take a look on it. Currently, there's no so much info about them right now. They're just saying everybody currently like concerned about. To play, you need only one NFT, but it will be better if you will have three. So as I get it, from my opinion, from my point of view, as I understood it, I think there will be some buildings. So this is kind of a strategy game. So there will be buildings. All these buildings has some stats, and if we will look straight into the stats, this is obviously that this will be a strategy, kind of Clash of Clans strategy. When you summoning your soldiers, when you protecting your resources, when you harvesting something, you need to speed up this harvesting and mining and get yourself some resources to build something. And you have some constructions that again you are storing something you need to protect, that producing something for you, some resources and all of this stuff. So this is kind of Clash of Clans, and I think P2E is just neat kind of strategy like that, with its own token, with a huge metaverse, huge audience, because we just don't have anything like that. And this is really popular and really simple, and everybody will be playing it, just if it will be hype and valuable, of course. And we got a kind of project kind of same with that, called the Mavia on ETH. They got a huge sale and all of the stuffs, and I think you've heard about it, but I don't really know when Mavia will go out. Maybe possibly only next year, only like second quarter. So this is kind of tough time to wait until that. Maybe they will postpone with this market. And this game has been releasing right now, and right now we can buy their NFTs, and possibly this will be like top 2 strategies on the blockchain with Mavia. The details of sale are looking, I could say, perfect. Not too much supplies, only like 9k supply. The new sale price only 30 BUSD, and everything which is free or really near to free, very cheap. People are loving to outbuy it, to flip it, and to buy it like after with all these speculating hands. Purchase units per user is only 1 ticket, so there is no so much bots, refs, and all of this stuff. Yeah, I think in my opinion, we will see possibly X1.5 or X2 in a recent time, and this is kind of free money. So my recommendation for you guys is to go and register few of your accounts into these sale, and possibly get yourself like free $40, $50, $60 by selling them on the secondary market. And for this market, I think this is kind of good money. So preparation started 27th of June on UTC 0, and subscription will start at the 29th of the June. Make yourself prepared and just go dive into this sale. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the like button and send link of this video to your friends. See you guys later.